Hey guys, it's Peter
and Oni.
Together we are Two Hungry Diners. We are in Victoria, we are in stage 4 lockdown,
Yes.
we cannot go outside.
Yes.
It's raining and chilly as well, so we are back in our kitchen to cook.
Yes, this hugely popular, the viral egg fried rice recipe by BBC.
Yes. So we think you guys have seen the video.
Yes.
It's
Uncle
really
Roger.
viral. Yeah, it's Uncle Roger video,
Yes.
really viral.
Drain it.
What's she doing?
Yeah, we've been really curious if the recipe, if the fried rice really that bad, you know? It's really that bad. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get cooking, I think.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
I am not confident this video is gonna be good.
Okay guys, we have the recipe in front of us right here. In the original recipe, it says the first thing we need to prepare is the rice. Now, the rice is the one that makes people angry, furious,
and cry sometimes.
yeah, in the internet. So, actually the original recipe doesn't say that we need to use a cup to measure the rice.
It says 150 grams of long grain rice or basmati rice.
Yes, even in the video, she says 1 part of rice, cook it with 2 parts of water.
For every 1 part rice you have, you need 2 parts water.
Yes, so you can use any cup basically.
Any cup or any measurement bowl or cup. So
okay guys, we're gonna use the basmati rice today. That's what we have here. So we're gonna use the cup.
Yes. What do we have right now?
We have a one.
Okay, the first thing we found is the 1 glass. Okay, why not? So 1 cup, 1 part of rice in.
Okay, we put the rice in. So we're gonna take 2 parts of water.
Yes.
And I'm gonna go behind the camera and I'll let Oni cook.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook the rest. The instructions is just to tip the rice into a medium saucepan, so you don't need to even wash it. I think that's the first crime that the Uncle Roger mentioned.
How you don't wash the rice, just cook the rice, not the rice stinky like you.
Rice and water into the saucepan, and I'm gonna cook this on the stove behind me, so that we can use the other stove to cook the fried rice. While we are waiting for the rice to cook, we're gonna prepare the rest of the ingredients. We need 1 small onion, red pepper, 2 garlic cloves, frozen peas, defrosted, 2 spring onion, ginger. Grating the ginger taking so long. Oh my god, why we need to grate the ginger? Come on, you just have to chop it. It says peel and grate it. Okay, timer is up for 10 minutes to cook the rice. I'm gonna turn it off the stove. Ooh. We use 2:1 ratio, right? For the water and rice. There's no excess water at all. It cooked perfectly. I don't know, maybe it's because our very good quality saucepan.
That's really good.
There's no excess. It's really good. It's very puffy. I'm actually quite surprised, because I've seen many videos trying the same recipe, and they always ended up with like a lot of water, you know, after they cook it for 10 minutes, simmer it for 10 minutes. But look at this. The rice is so fluffy.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I didn't expect this to happen.
Drain it.
I have mentally prepared to use colander to drain off the excess water of the rice, but I'm so surprised that I don't need to use this at all. Wow. Maybe BBC is actually correct after all. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive, I give you that.
Okay guys, all the ingredients are chopped up and the rice is cooked perfectly. I'm gonna cook the eggs right now. And notice we are using the induction cook stove. This is the same what Hersha did in her video, basically in her BBC fried rice video. Woo. So yeah, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Let's mix the egg first. A tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna make like a scrambled egg here. Okay, let's put the egg aside. Whoa! Wow! Oh my god, this pan is so heavy. I just noticed. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this, I think. Okay, let's cook the rice right now. This is the exciting part. Okay, let's see the instruction. Heat the remaining tablespoon of oil in the pan over a high heat. Alright, okay, let's heat up the oil first. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of oil. Okay, first thing first, add the onion and pepper. Wait, what? Add the onion. Huh? Why you put the onion first and then the garlic and ginger later after frying the onion for 2 minutes? Never done this before. You know, because the red pepper is quite watery, so I don't know why they cook the red pepper and the onion together. Anyway, that's what the recipe says. To be honest, this smells good.
Oh my god!
Onion and red pepper together. A bit skeptical still. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, fry for 2 minutes. Okay, before that, season with salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. I think the first crime here for me is not enough oil for fried rice. You need more than this. Normally for me. Okay, 2 minutes is up. I'm gonna add garlic and ginger. Okay, garlic and ginger. We have cooked the garlic and ginger for a further 1 minute according to the instructions. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the cooked rice. Okay, I can already tell that not enough oil. Why only 1 tablespoon of oil? Why, Peter? Why?
Oh, Uncle Roger sad now.
Let's add the peas. Let's add the peas first. Oh, but here. You see here, because there's not enough oil, it's actually, you know, it's starting to sticking up to the bottom of the pan. Okay, let's add the spring onion. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And the egg. Okay, let's serve the rice with a metal spoon.
You're using metal to scrape your saucepan.
It's not a crime because we use a standard pan. Okay, moment of truth. So excited to try this finally. I think it's looking okay. It's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
And it smells amazing because of the ginger.
Yes.
And it's time to taste something.
Yep, let's go.
Why are you proud of yourself? You messed up everything.
Oh, BBC, what have you done?
Not bad.
It's not bad at all.
I don't know, maybe it's just our luck. Because the rice is cooked perfectly compared to the other people out there trying, you know. And then they always fail miserably.
Yeah, as Oni said, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I would say
it's a bit bland.
It's a bit bland.
Yes, but it has some good flavor on it. I think the ginger,
the
garlic,
onion.
and garlic and onion. Yeah.
I would say we need a little bit more oil, maybe.
Yes.
Fried rice sometimes a bit oily.
Yeah, because we follow the original recipe, but when we watch the video, I think Hershey put more oil than suggested in the recipe.
We are going to stir fry now, which basically means cooking on a high heat.
So I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna smash it. And the conclusion?
Okay, conclusion. I actually quite like it.
I quite like it as well. It's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not terrible at all.
It's not terrible at all.
To be honest, I expected that to be, you know,
Terrible.
Fried
rice.
fried rice.
Failure.
But it's not bad at all. Wow, okay.
Okay, anyway guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you like us to share Indonesian style fried rice,
Yes, we have the perfect recipe.
Oh, we have amazing
Delicious
recipe for fried rice.
Yes.
Leave the comment down below because we'll be more than happy to share our own fried rice recipe.
Yeah, let us know if you guys want us to cook it and show you guys in the video.
Ooh. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it will help our channel to grow.
And as always, stay foolish.
Stay hungry.
Bye.
Bye.